past that, I'm going to hold this GJ position because, as you can see, we are in an overall uptrend. I like the EMAs coming into an uptrend. I like price holding the 21 EMA. I like where the TDI is. And now I'm just going to take this candle by candle. Again, I'm not in this super heavy, but I do think that this can still move higher. So why not put some money in it with good risk reward and see if we can go get 2 to 1. I'm risking 13 or 14. I'm going to try to get at least 25 or 30 out of this thing. So it's a couple minutes after 8 o'clock. I am out of EuroCAD completely, just managing GBP JPY now as we move into the New York session. The big news this morning is Chairman Powell testifying at around 10:30. So I've got plenty of time for that, 2 hours until that, and that probably won't even shake this trade. It won't shake the market directly. So I'm going to give this time, let it build candle by candle, and I'll come back on and update you guys on how the trade plays out. But EuroCAD is closed in profit. The final piece of the trade closed at 2R, a really nice A1 entry signal to start the day. So now let's manage this A1 signal on GJ the same way. Like I said, candle by candle, 15 minute by 15 minute. So it's 8:54. I just was stopped on the small long position that I had on GJ. Now I'm still profitable on the day because of the EuroCAD trade, but now completely flat, as you can see here on the FX trade, as GJ starts to come lower. I had a tight stop here. I knew that it wasn't A+ setup, like not something that it was worth a lot of size. So that's why I was sure to trade it small enough that even if I lost it, I wouldn't give back the profitable trade on EuroCAD. So for right now, I'm going to let GJ fall. Maybe it collects itself here at the 50 at the Asia high and we get another entry as the day goes on. But for now, I'm not just going to jump back into it.